Hi, this is Tammy from DIY Domination. Potty training is a common challenge faced by many new dog owners. But here's the good news. It's a challenge that can be conquered with patience, consistency, and a structured approach. Whether your furry friend is a tiny terrier or a giant Great Dane, every puppy can learn the art of potty training. So buckle up for an exciting journey as we dive into a step-by-step guide on how to successfully potty train your puppy. Before we begin, there are a few things you need to prepare. First off, you're going to need some supplies. Think puppy pads for those initial stages and cleaning supplies for the inevitable accidents. Don't forget about treats. These will be your best friends during this process, serving as positive reinforcement. A leash and a crate will also come in handy. The crate should be just big enough for your puppy to stand, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Next, you'll want to establish a routine. Dogs are creatures of habit. They thrive on routines. A consistent schedule for feeding, potty breaks, and exercise will be key to your success in potty training. Morning, after meals, after playtime, and before bedtime are great times for potty breaks. Now that you're prepared, let's move on to the actual potty training steps. The first step to successful potty training is choosing a designated potty area. This could be a specific spot in your yard or a location when walking your puppy. Consistency is key here. Having a designated spot will help your puppy understand where it's appropriate to relieve themselves. Now, it's important to stay vigilant and watch your puppy for signs that they need to go. These signs might vary from pup to pup, but generally they include behaviors like sniffing around, circling, whining, or pacing. By keeping a close eye on your furry friend, you'll be able to anticipate their needs and guide them to the designated potty area. Next, let's talk about crate training. Introduce your puppy to a crate that's just the right size for them. They should be able to stand, turn around, and lie down comfortably, but not much more. This encourages them to hold their bladder until they're taken outside, as dogs naturally avoid soiling their sleeping area. Now, onto the matter of potty breaks. Puppies have small bladders, so they'll need frequent trips outside. Here's a simple routine to get you started. Take your puppy outside right after they wake up in the morning and after naps, after meals and playtime, and just before bedtime. This schedule helps prevent accidents and reinforces the idea of the designated potty area. One important point to remember is to praise and reward your puppy immediately when they go in the designated area. This could be as simple as a pat on the head, a cheerful good job, or a small treat. This positive reinforcement helps your puppy associate going potty in the right place with good things, which will encourage them to repeat the behavior. Remember, praise and reward your puppy immediately when they go in the designated area. This consistency in your response will help your puppy understand what you want from them and will speed up the potty training process. With patience, consistency, and a structured approach, potty training your puppy can be a successful and even rewarding experience for both of you. The next step is to use consistent commands and positive reinforcement. When it comes to potty training your puppy, words matter. A consistent verbal command, for example, "Go potty," can be a powerful tool. This should be spoken calmly and clearly while your puppy is in the act of doing their business. Over time, your puppy will begin to associate this phrase with the action, helping them understand exactly what is expected of them when they hear it. But using the right words is just part of the equation. Your tone of voice is equally important. Dogs are highly attuned to our emotions, so try to keep your tone positive and encouraging. This can make the training process more enjoyable for both you and your puppy. Now let's talk about positive reinforcement. This is where you reward your puppy for doing the right thing. The moment your puppy finishes going potty in the designated area, praise them enthusiastically and give them a small treat. This helps your puppy understand that they've done something great. Remember, timing is crucial. The praise and reward must follow closely after the action to create a strong association. Accidents will happen, and that's okay. When they do, avoid scolding or punishing your puppy. Instead, clean up the mess promptly with an enzymatic cleaner to remove the scent and discourage repeat accidents. Negative reactions can confuse and scare your puppy, making the training process more difficult. Staying vigilant is also a key part of potty training. Keep an eye on your puppy when they're indoors, especially after meals and playtime. Recognizing the signs that your puppy needs to go can help prevent accidents and reinforce the habit of going in the correct place. Consistency in all aspects is the secret to successful potty training. Consistent commands, consistent rewards, and consistent vigilance will help your puppy understand what is expected and make the training process smoother and faster. As your puppy becomes more reliable, you can start to gradually extend the time between potty breaks. Now, let's talk about transitioning from puppy pads and adjusting your puppy's feeding schedule. If you've been using puppy pads, it's essential to gradually wean your puppy off of them. Start by slowly moving the pad closer to the door each day. This helps your puppy associate the need to go potty with heading towards the door. Eventually, place the pad outside, in the designated potty spot you've chosen. After a few days, remove the pad altogether. Your puppy should now be associating the act of going potty with being outside rather than on a pad indoors. While it's true that this transition can take some time and patience, it's a vital step in potty training and ensuring your puppy feels comfortable doing their business outside. Now, let's move on to the feeding schedule. Puppies, much like humans, are creatures of habit. They thrive on routine, so controlling their access to food and water can play a crucial role in managing when they'll need to go out. Try to establish regular feeding times. For instance, feed your puppy once in the morning and once in the evening. Avoid free feeding where food is available at all times. This can lead to unpredictable bathroom breaks and can make potty training more difficult. Remember to also regulate water intake. While it's important to ensure your puppy stays hydrated, try removing their water bowl about 2 hours before bedtime. This can help reduce the likelihood of nighttime accidents. However, it's important to note that these are general guidelines. Each puppy is unique, so you may need to adjust these suggestions based on your puppy's specific needs. Consult with your vet for advice tailored to your individual pup. In conclusion, transitioning from puppy pads and adjusting your puppy's feeding schedule are two key components to successful potty training. They both require a consistent and patient approach. Remember, consistency in routine, commands, and rewards is crucial to successful potty training. Potty training is just one part of raising a well-behaved dog. Beyond the realm of potty training, it's crucial to continue socializing and training your puppy. Socialization is the process of introducing your puppy to a variety of experiences, individuals, and environments. This helps your puppy grow into a confident and well-adjusted dog, comfortable with the world around them. From meeting other dogs to encountering different sounds, sights, and smells, every new experience is an opportunity for your puppy to learn and grow. Training, on the other hand, involves teaching your puppy the basic commands like sit, stay, come, and leave it. This not only helps keep your puppy safe, but also strengthens your bond and communication. Remember to keep training sessions short, fun, and positive. Much like potty training, consistency and patience are key. Consider enrolling your puppy in a training class or hiring a professional dog trainer. This provides an excellent opportunity for socialization and structured learning. Not to mention, it's also a great chance for you, as a puppy parent, to learn more about canine behavior and training techniques. So, keep in mind, while potty training is indeed a significant milestone, it's only the beginning of your journey with your furry friend. Continue to socialize and train your puppy, shaping them into a well-mannered and happy dog. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, your puppy will eventually learn where and when to potty. Remember, potty training can be challenging, but like any challenge, it can also be an opportunity for growth, bonding, and learning. We've shared a wealth of knowledge on how to potty train your new puppy, from preparation and routine establishment to recognizing the signs and maintaining consistency. The journey may be filled with accidents and cleanups, but also with moments of joy, like the first time your puppy successfully goes potty outside. Patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement are your greatest allies in this journey. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small, and remember, it's okay if progress seems slow. Each puppy is unique and learns at their own pace. Stay committed to the process, adapt to your puppy's needs, and never forget the power of a well-timed treat. If you're having trouble, don't hesitate to consult with a professional dog trainer for additional guidance. And remember, you're doing a great job.